Ever grabbed earbuds that just die on you mid-track? You won't believe what happens when your music drops at the worst moment. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 best JLab earbuds that deliver insane sound, unbeatable comfort, and mind-blowing battery life. Plus, there's an exclusive discount waiting for you in the description. Don't miss out. Your ears deserve the best. Let's start. Number 5. JBuds Air ANC True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds deliver an unbeatable audio experience with active noise cancellation that blocks distractions and keeps you focused anywhere. Enjoy over 10 hours per earbud plus 30+ hours from the charging case, giving 40+ total hours of Bluetooth 5.2 playtime. Movie mode ensures ultra-low latency for perfect audio sync, while Dual Connect lets you use either earbud independently with IP55 sweat resistance, touch controls, and custom 3 EQ sound settings. These earbuds combine durability, crystal clear calls, and personalized sound for ultimate convenience and performance on the go. Number 4. JBuds Mini True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds deliver compact power without compromise. With a 50% smaller case and 30% smaller earbuds than comparable models, they pack 5.5 hours of playtime per earbud and 20 hours total with the charging case. IP55 sweat and dustproof rating ensures durability on the go, while Bluetooth multipoint connects seamlessly to 2 devices. BeAware Audio lets ambient sound in for safety, and 3 EQ presets give perfect sound customization. Crystal clear calls with noise-canceling MEMS mics make these earbuds a versatile all-day companion. Number 3. JLab EarPods ANC True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds deliver lab-quality sound with a hybrid dual driver system featuring Knowles balanced armature for crisp mids and highs, and 10mm dynamic drivers for deep, punchy bass. With adaptive noise canceling, IP55 water and sweat resistance, and over 56 hours of total playtime, these earbuds keep up with every adventure. Customize your sound via the JLab app. Enjoy seamless multi-device Bluetooth connection, clear call quality with 6 noise-canceling mics, and convenient wireless charging, perfect for music, work, or travel anywhere. Number 2. JLab Air ANC 3 True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds deliver an unmatched audio experience with hybrid dual drivers for deep bass and crystal clear highs, plus high-res audio for every detail of your music. Smart active noise cancellation adapts to your surroundings, while the IP66 sweat-proof design keeps up with intense workouts. Enjoy 12+ hours playtime per earbud, 56+ extra from the case, and seamless device switching via Bluetooth multipoint. With spatial audio, Google Fast Pair, and clear call mics, these earbuds redefine performance, durability, and convenience. Perfect for music lovers everywhere. Number 1. JLab Lab Edition True Wireless Earbuds deliver an immersive audio experience with hybrid dual drivers, combining deep, punchy bass and crystal clear highs for every track. Featuring spatial audio compatible with Dolby Atmos and Tempest 3D, these earbuds make music, movies, and games come alive. Smart ANC adapts to your environment, while multi-point Bluetooth connects multiple devices seamlessly. Enjoy up to 56+ hours of playtime with wireless or USB-C charging, sweat-proof IP55 durability, wear detect autoplay pause, and fully customizable sound via the JLab app. Perfect for anywhere.